how to disable Duet on your videos easy and quick. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to disable Duet on all your videos so your friends, your and public won't be able to do it with your videos easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee app. Once you are here, go to For You page and click on those three lines up there. Click on Setting at the bottom and you're gonna find Privacy. Click on it. Like you see, you have hide location in profile and you have don't recommended me to my friends. After that, you have don't recommended my you have enable others to do it with my videos. You can turn on, so disabling permission will reduce your videos exposure. Confirm. Now others can do it with your videos easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.